Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how you can transfer cryptos from PayPal to crypto.com. I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then let's get started. First thing first, you have to log in into your PayPal account. And once you're logged into your account, you have to tap on the crypto that is in the top left corner of your screen. And in case if you're not able to see the crypto right over here, then you have to tap on finances, which is right at the bottom. Then you'll be able to see your cryptos. And on the other interface, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. So for this video, I'm gonna go with the Bitcoin. In next page, you have to tap on the transfer button located right at the bottom, so that there's a drop down menu. So from the menu, you have to tap on send. So on this page, you have to enter or paste in the wallet address. Since we are transferring cryptos to crypto.com, then what you need to do is you have to open up your crypto.com, and once you're logged into your crypto.com, you have to tap on deposit in the top right. And as soon as you tap on deposit, there's a drop down menu. So from the menu, you have to tap on crypto. Now select the crypto that you want to deposit. As you're done selecting the cryptocurrency, now you have the wallet address. So what you need to do is you have to copy the wallet address, and once you're done copying the wallet address, you have to head back to your PayPal account. Once you're done copying the wallet address, right on this page, you have to paste the wallet address. Next interface, you have to enter the amount of Bitcoin or the crypto that you want to send, and once you're done entering the amount, you have to tap on send all, which is right at the bottom. And in order to verify your identity, or verification code will be sent through your email or a phone number that is associated with your PayPal. And next interface, you have to review all of the information that you have provided, and if you're sure about it, tap on send now, and then you'll be notified that you've sent cryptos from your PayPal to crypto.com. So that is how you can transfer cryptos from your PayPal to crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.